Welcome to Psych with Sigmund, where we delve into the fascinating world of psychology and explore the lives of influential minds who have shaped our understanding of human behavior. Today, we're going to talk about Neal Miller, a pioneering psychologist who made significant contributions to our understanding of learning, motivation, and behavioral change. Neal Miller was born in 1909 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and grew up in a family that valued education and encouraged his curiosity. As a child, Miller was fascinated by the natural world and spent hours exploring the outdoors, collecting specimens, and observing animal behavior. This early interest in the natural world would later influence his approach to psychology, as he sought to understand human behavior through the lens of biology and environment. Miller's educational journey took him to the University of Washington, where he earned his undergraduate degree in chemistry and biology. However, it was during his graduate studies at Stanford University that he became interested in psychology, particularly in the areas of learning and motivation. Miller's mentor, Walter Miles, played a significant role in shaping his thinking and encouraging him to pursue a career in psychology. One of the most significant contributions Miller made to psychology was his work on drive reduction theory. This theory posits that behavior is motivated by the desire to reduce physiological needs, such as hunger or thirst. Miller's research showed that animals would learn to perform tasks in order to satisfy these needs, and that this learning was driven by the reduction of discomfort or tension associated with unmet needs. For example, in one famous experiment, Miller taught rats to press a lever to receive food pellets, demonstrating that the animals were motivated to perform the task in order to reduce their hunger. Miller's work on drive reduction theory built upon existing psychological frameworks, such as behaviorism and psychoanalysis. However, his approach was distinct in its emphasis on the biological and environmental factors that underlie human behavior. Miller believed that behavior is shaped by a complex interplay of internal drives, external stimuli, and cognitive processes, and that understanding these interactions is key to developing effective strategies for behavioral change. In addition to his work on drive reduction theory, Miller made significant contributions to our understanding of motivation and learning. He showed that reinforcement, such as rewards or praise, can be a powerful motivator for behavior, but that it must be carefully timed and administered in order to be effective. Miller also explored the role of cognitive processes, such as attention and perception, in shaping behavior, and demonstrated that these processes can be influenced by factors such as motivation, emotion, and prior experience. One of the most interesting aspects of Miller's work is his use of animal models to study human behavior. Miller believed that animals could provide valuable insights into human psychology, particularly in areas such as learning and motivation. His research with rats, dogs, and other animals helped to establish the field of comparative psychology, which seeks to understand the similarities and differences between human and non-human animal behavior. Despite his many contributions to psychology, Miller's work has not been without criticism. Some have argued that his emphasis on drive reduction theory oversimplifies the complexities of human motivation, and that his use of animal models may not be directly applicable to human behavior. So, what can we learn from Neal Miller's work? For one thing, his theories highlight the importance of motivation and reinforcement in learning and behavioral change. His research also emphasizes the role of cognitive processes in shaping our behavior, and shows how we can use feedback and self-regulation to control our physiological responses and change our behavior. Additionally, Miller's work reminds us that human behavior is complex and multifaceted, and that understanding it requires a nuanced and interdisciplinary approach. In conclusion, Neal Miller was a pioneering psychologist who made significant contributions to our understanding of learning, motivation, and behavioral change. By studying his life and work, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human behavior and develop more effective strategies for promoting positive change. If you enjoyed learning about Neal Miller, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.